What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug, guys. Another beautiful Sunday, another day that you're riding with Jay. Guys, I just want to say thanks for watching the videos. Thanks for hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for hitting the like button. Also, if you join me in any of the programs, tools that we use, or anything like that I suggest, I appreciate you. We definitely appreciate you. But today I wanted to take some time out and talk about this whole marketing thing, and I wanted to be very, very truthful about it. A lot of people, they come in on the online space, they think that, hey, they're just gonna go and post on their Facebook wall and people are gonna join, and if no one joins, guess what? The first thing they say is a scam. Okay, network marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever you want to call it, host reseller rights, whatever it is that you want to do. It's a very common thing, guys. And excuse me, I got my allergies right now flaring up. It is a very common thing when you're going to be in this business. But one thing that people got to understand is that when you see someone, when they've done a Facebook ad, that's because they know how to do that. And they're not doing a wall post every 5 minutes. They're actually generating traffic. They're giving money to Google. They're giving money to Facebook. That's what's going on. They're doing advertising. They're paying for traffic. They're doing solo ads. They're doing Facebook Lives, and then they're turning around and doing an ad with the Facebook Live. Okay, they're taking $10, $20, $30 a day to put their business out there and promote it and market it. See, if you're going to join any online business, you have to take things serious. And what I mean by taking things serious, you have to be focused on every day of driving traffic, slamming traffic, slam. That's the thing you want to be doing. Every day, you want to be getting eyeballs on your business, whether it's free, paid, whatever. I don't care where you're getting it from, but you want to slam it. And you want to treat it like a business. So don't be afraid to put money in your business, because people are out there. People are looking for opportunities all the time. But are you in the right place? Are you where people are at if you're going to be in this business? Now, see, guys, I have programs where you can make literally up to $2,000 a day, and there's going to be a link at the bottom where you can definitely check that out. I have tools that help you push your business to the next level. I have tools that have lead sources where you can pretty much buy leads in the back office, and they're all going to be at the bottom of this video, at the bottom of this video and in the description. Okay, so guys, the number one thing that I wanted to talk about today was actually taking the business serious and focus on marketing. Any business that you do, you have to focus on marketing. I tell everyone, especially if you're gonna back in the day when we were doing music, we had to market our business. You know how many times that I would pay to get on a show? And it wasn't no pay for me, but it was the exposure. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a secret, okay? I opened up for Yo Gotti, guys, before. I paid $1,000 to open up for Yo Gotti just to be seen in another city. I wasn't guaranteed a return. I wasn't guaranteed of anything. Only thing I was told is that, hey man, you're gonna be able to get your exposure. You can bring your DJ. You can pass out your CDs. Everybody. I've had the opportunity to talk to Gotti, but I understood that early. And anything, if you're gonna be in business, costs money. Okay. So if you're looking to join an online marketing, a network marketing business, guys, understand, just do your research on it. I have a lot of programs that are going to be in the link that you can definitely check out. My number one money maker is My Income Club. My Income Club, guys, I have multiple income streams in it from digital marketing. It's going to show you pretty much how to run your own digital business in and out, and you can earn different product levels all the way from $25 all the way up to $2,000. And then we also have credit education, where we're educating you on how to repair your credit, how to fix your credit so you can go out here and get loans, investments, things like that, to actually invest in real estate, to invest in stocks, different things. Okay, so we show you about financial literacy as well in this program. So everything is about education, but then we also have tools that allow you to stand out, to brand yourself, that you can buy leads from. So we're going to get into a lot more in depth, guys. My charger will be here next week for the MacBook, where I can do a lot more screen share videos again. So I can't wait for that. It's going to be very awesome again. But what I wanted to finish up here and wrap this up about is that when you join the business, okay, you want to already have the mindset that you know that you have to pay for marketing. Okay, you're going to read books There's going to be books. It's going to be showing you how to, you know, what to expect, what mindset to keep. You want to definitely be tuned into your books, but understand that traffic is what you want to focus on. That's the truth, okay? So don't think that, oh, just because I post on my Facebook wall and I don't get a hit, guess what? It's not a scam. Don't think because I didn't get a sale in the first month because the only thing I did was post on my Facebook wall, my Instagram wall. Guess what? That's not it. You know, so take business serious. Learn the game, okay? Take 6 to 9 months, take 6 months to a year to learn marketing, guys, and understand that marketing is just not something that you just do, test it, it don't work, and quit. Okay, I've been doing network marketing for a long time now, guys. I can actually shoot videos and send them out and get sales on autopilot. I don't have to shoot videos. I've shot so many and I still get sales all the time. Okay, that's what I say. That's the power of free marketing, because YouTube is the largest video platform there is right now. So why not? Facebook's trying to take over, but YouTube is more targeted. When people come on YouTube, they're actually looking for something specific. Facebook is interruption marketing with those guys. You know, they're on there looking to be social, laugh and joke and do everything else. So you're interrupting them with an ad, you know, to get them to check out your business. So same thing with YouTube. You know, they allow you to do ads as well, but it's a lot more targeted. People are looking for how to make money. People are looking for different options of whatever the niche is that they're looking for. So you just want to make sure that your business is in that particular niche, guys. So whatever it is that you're doing, you want to make sure that you are getting leads, funneling in. You always want to keep your funnel full. Okay, so the moral of the story is keep your funnel full. Keep people coming to your sales funnel. Keep people going through your sales funnel all the time. Have your marketing, have your autoresponder set up so that way you can send out messages to your people. Build relationships. Turn those cold leads to warm leads. Let them know who you are. Okay, so if you're interested in making a lot of money, there's going to be a link at the bottom for you to check that out, guys. You can make anywhere between $25 to $2,000+ in instant commissions. And then with the credit repair program, you can actually earn residual income and learn to repair your credit. And if you do work a 9 to 5, put more money in your pocket. If your wife or wifey, or if you like to shop, we show you guys how to get cash back. If you like to travel, we show you how to get discounts on your travel. Literally everything that you're going to need, we take care of you, okay? So guys, there's going to be a link at the bottom. Click the button. I look forward to working with you. Look forward to building with you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Reach out to me, man. Let's get it all squared away. But I would love for you guys to get going. Set up your free account, pick out your income streams, and let's roll. All right? This your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed Sunday. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.